Ever notice how sneezes are like mini explosions your body throws for no reason? Think about it. 1 minute you're peacefully minding your own business, the next, bam! Your face decides to launch a surprise party. And then there's that awkward silence right after, like your body's waiting for applause or something. Or how about when you walk into a room and forget why? It's like your brain's on a coffee break, leaving you standing there like a confused detective in a bad movie. And don't get me started on those moments when you think you found the perfect parking spot, only to realize it's too good to be true. Like finding a unicorn in a mall parking lot. Life's full of these little gotcha moments. So remember, laugh it off and enjoy the ride. Stay quirky, my friends.